Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the baked on grease and grime on your grill grates using Easy Off Oven Cleaner. You can check out a link for oven cleaner in the description below. Otherwise, you should be able to get it at Walmart, Menards, or your local store. So to begin with, spray it on real heavy all over the surface, anywhere you have any baked on grease or grime or tough stuff to get off. You want to coat it on real thick and then let it do its work. Now the instructions are on the back of the can, but for simplicity you want to let this sit for about 20 minutes. For tougher, you can let it sit longer, but a minimum of 20 minutes. So if you got a lot of grease, a lot of grime on there, try 30 or 40 minutes. If you wash it off and you're still not happy, well, then do it again. So we're going to let this sit for 20 minutes and then spray it off with the hose. So we'll come back and see how it looks in 20 minutes. All right, here we are. The oven cleaner has been sitting for 20 minutes. You can see it's still kind of foamy. We're going to spray it off with the hose and see what it looks like. All right, so you can see here, it looks pretty clean with that oven cleaner on there. Down here, still got a lot of gunk on there. We'll finish spraying it off so you can see the difference. All right, so overall looks pretty good. Oven cleaner works very well. I would say it's probably the best cleaner for getting this gunk off of your grill and degreasing. Just be careful, if you let it sit too long, it will start to eat away the steel because it is weak. You know, there's been a lot of heat, a lot of moisture, so you got a lot of oxidation on a grill. So be careful that you don't hit it too long. It also would help to have a scouring pad or like a putty knife to scrape away any of this extra gunk on there as well. But oven cleaner works pretty well. If you need some, check out a link in the description below or your local store. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. In addition, I hope you hit that bell icon and the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.